accessing tokenized investment products through regulated platforms. As the digital asset space matures, a new frontier is emerging: regulated access to tokenized investments. Tokenization is the process of converting real-world assets, like real estate, credit, or commodities, into blockchain-based tokens. This allows more people to access traditionally illiquid markets, but technology alone isn't enough. What's truly driving adoption? Regulated platforms that offer safe, compliant, and transparent access. Why regulated access matters. Many people worry about digital assets because of unclear regulations and fraud risks, but things are starting to change quickly. A 2024 report by Boston Consulting Group and ADDX predicts that tokenized assets could make up 10% of the world's GDP by 2030. That's about $16 trillion worth of assets moved onto blockchain. However, this kind of growth will only happen if strong regulations are in place and investors have secure ways to access these assets. That's where platforms like Tokenized, Tokenized, and INX come in. These companies are registered with U.S. regulators like the SEC and FINRA, and they follow strict rules for identity checks, KYC, anti-money laundering, AML, and tax reporting. Because of this, they help make digital asset investing safer and more trustworthy for businesses and individuals alike. Institutional participation and infrastructure. Institutions are also joining the tokenized investment space. Many are working with blockchain asset and DeFi consulting firms to explore new opportunities. In 2024, BlackRock launched a tokenized fund on Ethereum. Franklin Templeton has expanded tokenized money market funds. Custodians like BNY Mellon and Zodia Custody offer secure services for tokenized assets. They blend digital asset management tools with compliance protections, supporting both large institutions and retail investors. Access for individual investors. But it's not just for big players. Individual investors also have access. Platforms like Coinbase, Matrixport, and Ondo Finance offer tokenized treasury products and yield-bearing assets. Many of these use stablecoins or security tokens for easier investing. Thanks to regulations like MiCA in the EU and the Token Safe Harbor proposal in the US, everyday investors can now participate legally and safely. Retail users can work with digital asset consultants to choose the right platforms and products. Consultants in RWA tokenization help both startups and traditional firms stay compliant while building tokenized solutions. Strategic guidance and outlook. As tokenized markets grow, strategy matters more than ever. A digital asset management consultant can help assess smart contract risks, market liquidity, and legal compliance. These experts provide guidance on portfolio building, real-world DeFi investments, and security token strategies. Tokenized investment products are no longer a theory. They're a fast-growing asset class. By using regulated, institutionally backed platforms, investors can gain trust, transparency, and long-term value. Learn more. Stay ahead. Want to stay ahead in this fast-moving space? Explore Kenson Investments' educational resources and discover how digital assets and blockchain are reshaping global finance.